Hi and welcome. For all you vegetarians out there, pescatarians, listen, we've got a great dish for you. Not only that, we really want to show you how easy it is, how I've really enjoyed cooking on this unique and really convenient surface of the Arteflame Grill. You can literally cook everything from your desserts to your sauces to your meats. It's really been great. Today, we cooked a shrimp sandwich. We did the shrimp in a marinade and grilled it to perfection. It really nicely charred. We did a variation on that, which is a croissant, to keep it sort of French in tradition. We made a remoulade sauce and we charred the coleslaw, which really adds a nice crunch. It was delicious. Okay everyone, we're gonna start by marinating the shrimp. This is a real simple, easy recipe that should take no time. We've got 2/3 of olive oil, and we're gonna use this as our marinating tray. Okay, you can actually do 2 cloves of garlic or cheat like me and do garlic powder, much easier. We're going to have 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons of paprika. That'll give it a nice smoky flavor. This is gonna be on the spicy side as I like it. Hopefully you like it too. We've got a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is super hot. A teaspoon of Worcester sauce. We've got hot sauce here. That's about a teaspoon. And then we've got, of course, salt and pepper to make it special. Now, last but not least, before we get this mixing up, is I always add lemon juice, especially with any seafood, or it just makes it that much better. So you really want to dredge the spices in. I think 15-20 minutes if you're in a hurry. Even better if you can do an hour, that would be even better. So for the actual shrimp sandwich, you can also refer to it as a po' boy sandwich. It's traditional in New Orleans. We're going to make a vegan Russian dressing. Now, Vegenaise is sold in most supermarkets now, so if you really are strict on that, by all means use Vegenaise. If you really don't want to use that kind of alternative, you can use Greek yogurt. Now, here in California, I know we have grass-fed organic cow yogurt, so it is a lot easier to find here. So hopefully you can find that for yourself. Or you can actually take avocados and saute or mash them up and get a puree, and that also could give you a creamy consistency to your remoulade sauce. All right, so we're also going to add a 1/4 cup of ketchup. We've got some chopped onion, about a tablespoon or 2. I like the heat, so I'm going to add some horseradish sauce. We've got Dijon mustard, of course. Get it all mixed in there. It's going to be delicious. Got apple cider vinegar. This really gives it a nice tang. I love apple cider vinegar. Salt and pepper I've combined here. And then, of course, some Worcester sauce. Okay. So you're going to mix this all up and then add the zest of a lime. And then really get that zest of a lime in there. So to give a little French flair on a traditionally French dish, we're going to add our croissants to the grill to get them nice and crispy, buttery, yummy. Then we're going to add our shrimp that have been marinated for an hour. If you have raw shrimp, you need about 4 minutes on each side, and when you have pre-cooked shrimp, you need about 1 or 2 minutes on each side. It smells great. All right, we're ready to assemble. So you take your shrimp, it's been cooked to perfection, on the croissant that's been nicely toasted. Add a little of the charred coleslaw, which looks beautiful. And again, you can add some more lemon to this, or you can add some fresh cilantro. It's wonderful. Then we're going to put a little of the Russian dressing or remoulade sauce. That's vegan. Delicious. Chopped onions look great. And if you want, we'll add a piece of lettuce, and of course, to top it off, a croissant. Delicious.